exactly are you going to be in 1 to 2 years? And have you put any thought behind that? If you're feeling miserable and down and sad and depressed and absolutely hate your job, which I did many, many years ago, I did something about it. I took action and said, you know what? No, this is unacceptable. I am not going to be sad and miserable and depressed and cry on the way to work and cry on the way home. I'm actually going to take action and do something about it. And I'm the only one that can do something about it. So I actually took steps to get myself out of there. And then I went to part-time work and now work fully online by myself. I was selling physical goods. I now am fully selling digital goods, full digital, because I have a worldwide audience. There are billions of people online every single day selling, shopping, buying, consuming, going on there and looking for information and education. And that's what I did. Years ago, I took mini courses and I took a website course and I opened a gift boutique. And now I've transitioned to digital products because my digital products were doing so well. And I was so tired of shipping stuff out in the mail, supply chain issues and looking for stuff and stuff getting lost and damaged and mail rates going up and competing with the giants for next day delivery. I thought, that's it. I'm going digital. And I did. And I haven't regretted a moment of it. I took a mini course, I took a large course, and I've learned the high income skills and business fundamentals, automation and marketing that I needed. And my life is literally changing every week, every month. It continues to grow, and I'm making an income stream that is relieving my stress, relieving my bill stress, and I'm able to save up for vacations and have an income stream coming in. And you can do exactly the same. You can change your life. So you have to ask yourself, 1 or 2 years is going to pass anyway. The time's going to pass. But what are you actually going to do about it? Are you going to make a change? And you're the only one who can do that. So I would go to my store, look around, see what's there. There is a free beginner's guide. It's going to tell you what you need to do, what all your first steps are, what your strategy should be. And think about taking something where you're going to learn your fundamentals and get out of what you are in right now, that toxic situation. And I'm so glad I did. And you can do the same. And send me a message if you need any help. And I would love to help you on your digital marketing journey, because starting to learn those things and then implementing them and making an income stream for that is going to change your life.